श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषाय शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। जयो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री गदाधर शिवासति गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैता करुण एव च, निर्ममो निरहंकारः समादुःखा सुखाशमी, संतुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः। मयि अर्पिता मनोबुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। One who is not envious but a kind friend to all the living entities, who does not think himself a proprietor and is free from false ego, is equal in both happiness and distress, who is tolerant, always satisfied, self-control, engaged in devotion service with determination, his mind and intelligence fixed on me, such a devotee of mine is very dear to me. So many times it comes in scriptures that devotees have 26 qualities. Here also some list is there. So what is the question of Arjuna? Arjuna's question is, who was better? There is one person who is a jnani, who is just meditating on your impersonal feature, and there is a devotee who is meditating on your personal qualities. The question is, my Lord, who is better? So what is happening here? Krishna is now delineating. First thing he establishes, a devotee is better. And after doing that, what is Krishna is giving? He is giving the wonderful qualities of the devotee. Just like devotees take pleasure in glorifying the Lord, the Lord also takes pleasure in glorifying the devotees. He is very happy. So devotees are so sweet. So sometimes it may be, but this is not only that, these qualities will automatically develop when we advance in Krishna consciousness, because originally the soul is pure. It is because of the material infection we are into some unwanted qualities. But even at this level, as a sadhana, we should know these qualities are dear to Krishna. And the different qualities mentioned here is, the number thing is the devotee should be always satisfied. If somebody is not satisfied, then I cannot show any qualities. First thing, he should be satisfied. Therefore, the shloka has been given. What is that? Tatte anukampa. That is the famous shloka. Is in any condition, even in the most miserable condition, devotee is very happy and peaceful. Then your intelligence will work. Even in Bhagavad Gita, in Srimad Bhagavatam, it says, Evam prasanna manasa bhagavad bhakti yogata. When the mind is joyfully situated, then we can understand Bhagavad Bhakti. Bhagavad Tattva Vijnanam comes when the mind is joyful, correct? So first thing, we have got the shelter of Krishna and Guru. We should be very happy. The first thing, devotee should be happy. Internally satisfied, always. Now outside he may not be smiling, but internally he should be very happy. It's like Prabhupada, you don't see always, he's grave. But he's very happy. Internally he's very, very happy. And Prabhupada said, there's the happiness of the devotee. That's what attracts people to come to us. How do you preach? You are preaching somebody. It's very nice. You take chant, you'll not be interested. When he sees we are very happy, actually, he can feel it. Then he'll be very interested to come to us. Everybody is seeking happiness in this world. Correct? And Prabhupada says the happiness of a devotee is naturally present. It's like they make a big campaign everywhere. Please smile, 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 smile. Everybody smile. They make so much campaign. How it is possible? What people are even not even speaking hard, they even killing each other. Correct? What smile? So the point is that it's not the reality. Just by smiling at each other. They are underground, there are problems which people have conflicting interest, and therefore they kill each other. So Bhagavad Gita is not giving some utopian, live in the present, all these things, rubbish. Bhagavad Gita is giving a platform on which the highest standard can be practiced. It's giving a foundation platform. So how is the devotee always self-satisfied? Not artificially. He's convinced Krishna is in total control of the situation. Therefore he's very happy. He's very happy because he knows not only Krishna is in total control, Krishna is always unfailing in his love for me. He knows that. Yeah? There is no way in any situation you can think Krishna doesn't love me. Yeah? Other people in this world, sometimes we are doubtful whether he doesn't like me. Maybe he's angry at me today. This world, a situation is like that. We are very difficult. But there is one person is easy to deal the relationship with Krishna. Therefore, first we should fix our relationship to Krishna, everybody. Because he is the person who is fit to be the first person to relate to. Because he is Suhrida, always wishing well. Correct? Suppose somebody is always wishing well. How much we smile we go to meet him. Because he always thinks of our good. Correct? But normal conditioned souls in this world, we are disturbed. We disturb each other. And we cannot be well-wishing all the time. But Krishna is the guarantee. Or the Acharya can say. We cannot do that. We cannot wish well for everybody. It's not in our capacity. That is for Krishna. Krishna says, I am the well-wisher. Therefore, we should encourage everybody. Please relate to Krishna. Please relate to Krishna. He is your best well-wisher. And just Krishna is there in the heart of everybody. Krishna is always smiling, wishing well. Correct? We go to the deities, always smiling, wishing well. And not only that, Krishna is looking at you mercifully. He wants to. He is putting an endeavor. It is not that you do good, he does good to you. Not only that. He is 100 times more trying to lift us into the, we can be free from all the miseries of material existence and eternally, blissfully enjoy Krishna consciousness. Krishna is always putting effort for that. And is blissfully, happily. Krishna is always smiling and blissful. And in contact with Krishna, the devotee also starts to glitter. Just like a spark touches fire. Spark also glitters. So wonderful qualities start manifesting in the devotee. The Prabhupada says that they're all impossible qualities actually. But the devotees start manifesting one by one all of them. And what are the qualities he says? He says not disturb in any situation. Now there is an envious. Prabhupada said this is not easy. This is for a Mahabhagavata. Suppose somebody comes to criticize you, disturb you, irritate you. How does the Mahabhagavata feel? He is very calm. He said it is by my own papa karma. or by hence by Krishna's will, this person has come to irritate me today. Correct? So why should I get angry at him? The same example, the Dharma Purusha, when he was being beaten by Kali Purusha. So Parikshit Maharaj landed there. So Parikshit Maharaj asked him, what is the cause of your suffering? It is very difficult to determine what is the cause of suffering. Correct? He did not just make a case of this fellow, he is breaking my legs. Sometimes it may be my karma. So some normal man in this world cannot imitate this. It's not possible. Normal man. But for the great devotee, Paramahamsa, he is on this platform. Even in somebody trying to disturb him in any way, he takes that also as the arrangement of Krishna. And he doesn't become angry at that person. Okay, Krishna's will. Today I am getting insulted. Krishna's will. One thing, he doesn't have any pride in his system, so he doesn't get hurt. When the Lord Chaitanya reached Banaras, so some people were making fun of him. When they came to tell Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they say, you are a sentimentalist. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just smiled. So Prabhupada said, yes, that's how a devotee is. He is not after any personal. Actually, that is what day we come to know we are humble or not. Humility comes when we are not seeking any respect. When he desire any respect in the system. So Krishna shows it. Some rubbing he will do. Some rubbing will occur. And then mind is very disturbed. Oh, why I am disturbed? Because I am desiring some respect. That means I am still not free. Sarvopadi, still I am in the bodily consciousness. Because the devotee comes to Krishna conscious platform, he can easily shrug away, throw away all this. Because it comes in the society when you are living. Now we are a small temple. When there are 40, 50, 100 devotees, it is not easy. You know, it's the same like in a society we have lived, same thing like that. So much rubbing will occur. It is little. It is not easy at that time. So therefore, those who are fixed in devotion service, they are very happy. Okay. And not everybody can be perfect. Every time you tell something, are you perfect? We ourselves are not perfect. So how can we expect everybody to be perfect? He just shrugs it away because his focus is somewhere else. His focus is to achieve pure devotion. That's all. Forget it. So the devotee, therefore, naturally being disinterested in material honor, disinterested in material comforts, he shows exemplary qualities which are not imaginable for a karmi. Because that is not his interest. I remember the day I had joined the temple, some few days later, some devotee asked this question to the senior devotee, what do I do? I feel so envious of that other devotee. He said, no, don't worry. You have forgotten for what you came. The problem is that you have come to see Paramatma in the heart which you are not able to see. You have come to see the Lord in Vaikuntha having beautiful pastimes. You come to see Krishna's lotus feet. Something else now you want. Okay? You should be very, very, very careful. What do we want actually? And when these things come, and then we know nothing can be impediment for that. We just strike it away. We are very peaceful. Our focus remains to advance in Krishna consciousness, not all these small things. So the wonderful qualities devotee is showing. So one by one, Prabhupada is giving a nice discussion. How is he showing? So this is okay. Devotee is always kind to everyone, therefore even to his enemy. Devotee does not much importance to pains and pleasures because he knows he is not the body. Therefore he is free. He is tolerant because he knows Krishna is in total control. And he accepts whatever comes by the grace of the Lord. Today I am eating, one sweet rice is there, today it is not there. Okay. Whatever comes by the grace of the Lord, he is very happy with it. Correct? More and more, the devotees will be disinterested in these things. Okay, it is there. Krishna's kind. Take. It is not that he is becoming a Mayavadi, but whatever comes, he accepts with the grace of the Lord. Therefore, he is always joyful. He does not endeavor too much to achieve anything with great difficulty. He does not do that. He doesn't put too much effort. He puts effort, but does not put prayasa. Correct? Something comes by the will of the Lord, fine. He'll put some effort for service to Krishna. Something impossible. Like Srila Prabhupada was in India, 30 years, he was trying desperately to launch his worldwide mission. Nothing happened. He was not doing prayasa, not sleeping, what to do. Peaceful. He's chanting his round, reading Bhagavatam, writing, correct? And praying to the Lord, praying to the Acharyas. Such a difficult mission my Guru has given. Please bless me. He knows that is where the strength lies. I think we get disturbed more because we have a lot of doership. And our pride is crushed. I'm not able to do, what will people say? He has not nothing to do with all that. He is continuously begging the Acharyas, please allow me. Begging Krishna, please allow me to finish this order of the spiritual master. Give me the strength so I can do this. Correct? Actually, his heart is so beautifully shown in that prayer on the ship. Just beautifully, Hannah. When devotee reveals his heart, it is so sweet. When we reveal our heart, there is nothing inside, it's empty. The devotee's heart is so sweet in his prayers to his spiritual master. And then Prabhupada says it's perfect mystic because it's fixed on the instruction from the spiritual master. Totally fixed. If you read Srila Prabhupada books and you fix your mind on the instruction that is there, but you're perfect mystic. Correct? You're fixed. These things you should not do, you read, and you're fixed on that. Then it becomes mystic. It becomes very, very peaceful. A beautiful line. Taken? The devotee becomes fixed. Because if we are holding ourselves by Shabda Pramana, then mind is very, very peaceful. Prabhupada says no once. Whatever Krishna says is perfect. Everything rest is nonsense. And we have no confusion now. Correct? Because by accepting the authority of Krishna, just like Arjuna had so much confusion. He asked Krishna. Krishna gave an answer. Okay? He had some doubts. Krishna clarified. Fixed. Now no more disturbance. Correct? But what happens for us? In doubt we live. No. So as we advance in Krishna consciousness, all the doubts vaporize. What is to be done, Prabhupada says, or when it is to be done, everything becomes clear. Okay? So as Krishna starts dictating, as more and more to the degree we surrender, Krishna takes charge of our life. Okay? So as the instructions come from the Paramatma in the heart, from the spiritual master, corresponding with the Shastra, Guru Sadhu Shastra, is fixed on that. Therefore his mind is peaceful. Correct? Mind becomes peaceful when you keep hearing Krishna Katha. It becomes blissful. There was a very nice line we read. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nishtha Shanti Parayanaha. That is, Vishnu Sahasranama. So Prabhupada says in the commentary on that, he is very Shanta because he does not hear anything except Krishna Katha. I was giving the meditation on that because when you do that, then you become agitated because you can't solve the problem and you hear about problems. His senses are controlled because he is determined. He is determined to obey the Acharya. He is determined to serve Krishna. Therefore, his senses are totally controlled. And then, because of all this qualification, he can fix his mind on Krishna. Okay? You read Prabhupada says, always think about Krishna. He says, okay. Acharya said, he'll obey it. Correct? Therefore, his mind is fixed. You cannot fix your mind directly on Krishna. It is through the order of the Acharya. Therefore, Prabhupada says, first you have to develop attachment to the Acharya, then you develop attachment to Krishna. Okay? So that is very there. For the Lord says such a devotee is very dear to him, for the devotee is always pleased with all his activities in full Krishna consciousness. Okay? And such a devotee who is always fixed, they having taken shelter of the Acharya, is very, very pleasing because all his activities are done and they are done in beautiful consciousness. Now we may be doing service sometimes, but we may not be doing it proper consciousness, not done with love, not done attentively, not done with devotion, because we are not fixed ourselves. Actually, our heart raptures when we have become fixed in the instructions from the Guru Sadhu Shastra. Then heart opens up in proper devotion to the Lord. Only at a certain level and the mind is fixed, then the prayer starts. Prayers are not so easy. And when the service is done with a proper prayerful mood, it is very pleasing to Krishna. Correct? Doing service is not a big deal. But other service is being done with proper Krishna consciousness. What is proper Krishna consciousness? Yes, Krishna, I'm offering you bhoga. Please accept. That is proper Krishna consciousness. Correct? Upchara we are doing, khad, 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 we are making sound. For Krishna, that is only sound only. Krishna only, for Krishna is feeling. Krishna, can you take this? He may be speaking in whatever language actually. Doesn't matter for him. Krishna knows all the languages, but it's feeling. Please accept. Similarly, we are doing Aarti. Krishna, please accept. I am offering you this small worship. Please accept. So any service done to Krishna is so potent, actually, that any one of them can liberate us. So when we are doing any service to Krishna, whatever it may be, we are cleaning the temple for Krishna, we are bathing Krishna, we are addressing Krishna, we are glorifying Krishna, we are chanting Krishna's holy name, we are reading about Krishna. Each one is so potent, it can itself take you back to Krishna. So we should do that with proper spirit. Okay? Anything you're doing, you're chanting, do it properly. That itself. I remember when I was joined the temple, as usual, mind really, so many things really there. I used to think if somebody can clarify some doubts. Actually, I was chanting 8 rounds, tuck, I had joined. So I was not fully ready actually. But so many questions used to be there. Why this is like that? Why this is like that question? Now I want to ask. Say they can stop japa, I can ask my one point they can clear. Then I can continue chanting. At least so many questions will come. So that is like that. Okay? But we should be fixed. That if I'm chanting now, doesn't matter. Let me do this properly. Then it will be very nice. Then I am doing worshipping the deities. Let me do this nicely now. It will be very, Krishna will be very, any service done should be done with 100% attention. Even this will be very pleasing. When I'm reading about Krishna, I read with all attention, respect to the acharyas. Very, very purifying. Then we have a chance to advance quickly and reach Krishna's lotus feet. Srila Prabhupada ki.